guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nazi. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can contour your nose and make your nose look very slim. This video is a requested video by one of my clients. So if you guys are interested to see how I'm going to do this trick and this magic, you better keep on watching. I'm going to start with my face, and first of all I'm going to be using my moisturizer, and the moisturizer I'm using is the e.l.f. moisturizer. I love this moisturizer, it's so amazing, it's jelly. So I'm just going to put this around my face, just moisturize my face. Look at my nails, I did them myself. You can just check the link up. I'm going to put the link somewhere around so you guys can check it out. So next I'm going in with my primer. So I'm going to be using the MAC foundation in the shade NW43. I'm getting this foundation is quite light for me. So I just put a little bit, like 10% of my Mary Kay foundation to just mix it up. Ooh, it's quite light though. So before you contour your nose, definitely you have to put your foundation. It depends on the technique you're using. Some people actually start with their contour and highlight before they put their foundation. For me, I've never tried it before and I'm very skeptical trying new routine and stuff. But however, I actually put my foundation first before I contour and highlight. So my foundation is set in. Take note of my face and my nose and see the transformation. But before I contour my nose, I'm going to be highlighting under my eyes, and the concealer I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is where the tutorial starts. When you're doing your highlight for your forehead down the bridge of your nose, remember we're trying to make our nose look slimmer. So hit the beginning of your brow and take this to the beginning of your brow too. Give it that inverted triangle look. You see what I'm doing? Then shade this place. The whole of this part is covered. You take it all the way down the bridge of your nose. Now guys, you need to be very careful when you're doing this. I'll actually advise you to use a tiny brush. So I have to take my time to do this. So I'm just going to draw a line down. I'll be using the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation in the shade Sokoto to contour. I prefer to use an angled brush like this to contour my nose. I'm going to start from the middle here. Take your time. Take it all the way down this way. Then whatever is left on your brush, you take it all the way up to your brow, just under your brow, the beginning of your brow, and take it all the way to your brow bone. Whatever is left on your brush, take it up to the tip of your brow, like the beginning of your brow, all the way to your brow. It's time for me to blend my nose contour. I'm going to start from the center of my forehead. Blend this way. So I'm going to do this before I contour my face because I want to just concentrate on my nose right now, because since that's what the video is all about. Okay, now guys, see the trick here. You see how it's looking very narrow because of this bridge here. When you're doing nose contour, make sure you have this inverted triangle illusion here. It gives you that really nice narrow nose look. So now I'm going to blend out my contour. I'm going to be using the same brush I used to put my contour. Just blend it Make sure you don't touch the highlights. Take it all the way close to the inner corner of your eye. Guys, it's time for me to blend the highlights. If you increase your highlights, you're increasing your nose. If you reduce your highlights, you're reducing your nose. Doesn't make sense. In order not to increase our highlights, I'm using this flat brush to blend it in. So I'm gonna go this way. I'm going to use my beauty blender to just blend everything in this way to remove that harsh line. I'm going to go into my setting powder, and the setting powder I'm using is the Laura Mercier setting powder. Going back to highlight under my eyes, and I'm going to be using highlight from this MAC palette, this light shade here. What I will do, I will take it all the way to my nose and create a line here. So I won't take it all the way to this part of my nose. It doesn't look wider. It's now time for me to blend. So I'm going to be using this, my left hand. Do you guys do makeup with both hands? I do with both hands. Depends on my mood and how tired I am. So guys, this is what it looks like right now. Before I go and do my eyes, let me just show you the final step I take when I'm contouring my nose. I like to put my highlight to give it that shimmer and glow. So the highlights palette I'm using is the Roxy palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to be taking a shade from here to just highlight my nose. So you usually have to put here first, then the tip of my nose, second, what's left on the brush, blend it up. Use your fan brush to give that inverted triangle that glow it deserves. See what I mean? We don't put too much. So guys, let me do my eyes off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the end of the nose contour tutorial. I hope you guys were able to learn one or two things about how to contour your nose. Basically, I don't like to overdo anything I'm doing in my entire life. So I don't like to overdo my nose contour because I don't want it to look like I contoured my nose. Do you understand? Does it make sense? So I just try to limit the amount of products I put on my nose so it still looks a little bit natural. So you guys take your time and practice makes perfect. You can't get this in one sitting. You have to keep doing it before you get perfect. So you guys just keep on practicing and let me know if you're able to achieve something like this. And also, how you guys feeling this makeup look? I love it. Like, this is my go-to makeup look. Like, this is me. This is Nazi. Like, if you see me outside, this is how I look. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please make your girl grow. I would really appreciate if you do. And also like, share and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, have a blessed day. Bye.